I want to start with a real moment. A few months back, I walked into a stranger's flat after a 14-hour flight, lugging a backpack, hair a mess, and everyone around me was laughing and making plans. I sat on the sofa and felt completely invisible. That loneliness hit harder than I expected.
Hey, welcome to Nomad Love and Community. I'm James Mitchell with Sophia Chen. Quick promise, we'll give you 3 tiny, repeatable rituals you can try this week to turn short stays into real support, not just another swipe right interaction.
Perfect. And to be clear, these are low-effort signals you can actually keep up while traveling. The first one, an arrival habit that takes 60 to 90 seconds and says, I notice you and I respect this space.
Right. Like, what specifically? Give me the quick, memorable moves.
Simple. Sweep the shared spaces quickly so it looks tidy. Leave a small welcome. A pitcher of water or a little bowl of fruit makes a big nonverbal point. And set a timing rule. Shoes off in the doorway. Those 3 things reduce ambiguity and say you care about being considerate.
Totally. And from the guest side, mirror that rhythm. Place your shoes where they expect them. Offer one small thing, like a soap bar or a local snack. And ask a simple logistics question. Where do you usually store mugs? That single question shows you're thinking communal, not just passing through.
I also do a tiny written note on the welcome card, Wi-Fi, a safety contact, and one sentence that clarifies reciprocity. Something like, if you're here overnight, use the window bed. If longer, help yourself to the pantry. That makes choices easy and removes pressure from both people.
We should call out safety too. Always text your ETA. Share a trusted contact. And if you host, mention quiet hours. Those small clarity signals build trust faster than any good intention.
Exactly. Okay, lever 2, a signature appearance cue that takes 2 minutes. This isn't about vanity. It's about showing you respect the shared environment and the people in it.
2 minutes, 3 moves. Wipe your face and hands or splash water to reset. Do a 10-second posture check so you register as present, and keep scent neutral. Skip heavy cologne. If you want a tactile cue, carry a neutral hand lotion or a small comb. These read as courtesy more than grooming.
And the posture piece is underrated. Stand tall for 10 seconds, breathe, then relax. People literally treat you like someone reliable when you arrive mentally present.
Add a quick hair check or brush through. Nothing fancy. Presence beats perfection. That 3-step reset helps you move from frazzled traveler to considerate guest in under 2 minutes.
Now, the third lever, a host-guest conversation ladder that moves gently from logistics to curiosity. Start with practical questions so nobody's caught off guard. Then share a small observation. Then ask one easy curiosity question.
Concretely, logistics. Where should I leave my pack? Observation. You've got a great light in this kitchen. You must love mornings here. Curiosity. What's one neighborhood spot you always recommend? That latter feels natural and respects boundaries.
Also teach one boundary sentence aloud early. Say, I'm glad to go deeper, but I sometimes need a pause. It normalizes consent and protects your social energy.
I want to push back a bit. Are we in danger of making these feel staged? Some folks will hear rituals and think it's a script.
Great question. Rituals are scaffolding, not a performance. When the arrival details are handled automatically, you've freed up brain power to actually listen. The gestures should become background moves that let real connection happen, not replace it.
Totally agree. And to prove it, let's roleplay a short, realistic stay so listeners can hear the flow. You host me for 2 nights. Show the arrival ritual. I'll be the guest and model the appearance reset and conversation ladder. Go.
Door opens. Hey, James, welcome. Leave your bag on the rack, shoes on the mat. I put water and herbal tea on the counter. Wi-Fi's on the card, and there's a small note with quiet hours. If you want to crash now, the sofa's free. If you're staying, help yourself to the pantry. I point to the welcome card with the emergency contact.
I'd drop my bag, take my shoes off, and say, awesome. Quick cue. Where do you usually get coffee around here? Then I'd head to the bathroom, wipe my face, check my hair, stand tall for 10 seconds, and come back calmer. That shifts us into a relaxed chat about local spots.
Perfect. Notice how the logistics, the appearance reset, and the curiosity question move smoothly without pressure. That's the point. Make small, repeatable moves and let rapport grow naturally.
All right, a tight 7-day plan you can actually follow. Day 1, host or be hosted once and perform the arrival ritual. Days 2 through 4, run the 2-minute appearance reset twice a day. Day 5, use the conversation ladder with one person and say your boundary phrase. Day 6, send 3 follow-ups, a thank you, 1 local tip, and a casual invite. Day 7, reflect and schedule a recovery day with no hosting.
Quick safety and burnout reminders. Cap hosting to 1 or 2 times a week if you're feeling drained. Always share arrival times with a trusted friend. Vet guests or hosts through references when possible, and use those boundary phrases if someone tries to overstep.
If you want templates and accountability, we made the Travel Guest Protocol mini course. Plug and play welcome cards, arrival checklists, the 2-minute appearance guide, and swipeable follow-up messages.
Here's a tiny micro commitment. Sign up, try day 1, then post your day 1 ritual in the private course thread. We'll comment on the first 50 posts to give feedback. Small daily habits create magnetic presence. You attract what you become.
Visit thepodcast.link/travelguest and use code GUEST7 for early access resources and the 7-day checklist. That's our practical advice for today. Try 1 ritual this week and notice how people respond.
Optimize yourself. Connect deeper. Live freer. We'll see you next episode, and share your wins in the thread.